Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm starting a new series of videos today about how to build an e-commerce site with the Divi theme. Now, we did this a couple of years ago, but things have changed since then, and the Divi theme's come a long way. And of course, WooCommerce has come a long way since then too. So we're starting a new series. So follow along and learn how to build yourself an online store. So let's get started. I've got a fresh install of WordPress right here. It's the default theme, which I think is 2020 at the moment. I'm going to go over to Elegant Themes and download the Divi theme. You can download it from my affiliate link below this video, and there's a 30-day no questions asked free trial if you just want to try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and click the download Divi theme button. And as you can see, it's downloaded there. Let's go back to my site. I'm going to go to the dashboard, themes, appearance and themes. I could have done it from the top link up there. At the moment, yeah, we've got the 2020 that's active at the moment. So I'm going to hit add new theme. I'm going to hit upload theme. I'm going to grab my little zip file here. Just drop it in there, or you can hit the choose file button and browse to your download location. I'm going to hit install now. Theme has been installed successfully. Let's go ahead and activate it. There we are, we've got it activated. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to delete all these other themes here. Anything that you don't need on your site, it's a good idea to get rid of because it just slows things down. It's just another thing for your database to crawl through. So I'm just left clicking on each of them, hitting the delete button, confirming. There we go, we're just left with our Divi theme here. Now, as you can see, we've now got a little Divi icon here. Now, if I click on that, it'll take us to our theme options. And you've got your general dashboard here. This is where we'll be adding our logo. We'll go through all this in a while. I'm just doing setup today. Various options back to the top button, social media icons. And this is where you can add custom CSS if you need to. I'll try and keep that fairly minimal for this site today. We'll try and do it without too much custom coding, if any at all. You've got a navigation panel where you can exclude pages from the nav bar, show drop down menus, home links, sort page links, etc. You've got your builder. Now the Divi builder is absolutely awesome. Drag and drop page builder that you can do on the front end in real time. And I've got that enabled, and it's enabled by default obviously. You can choose your layout here, show comments on posts, place thumbs on posts. Quite often it's a good idea to disable comments on posts because you get so much junk and spam. It's entirely up to you though. Sometimes you do get great feedback, but it's pretty rare. A lot of time it's people trying to sell stuff. You can enable advertising banners here if you'd like to do that. This has got a great little SEO panel right here where you can put your site's homepage title and a meta description. This is what will appear in Google or searches from various things. The title will appear, I'm sure you've seen it, and a little snippet about what your site is about. You can put keywords in there if you want to. It's not a bad idea, but really nowadays keywords are really not that effective. Integration. Now if you need to add code to your header or body, this is where you're going to do it. Things like Google tracking, for instance, and stuff like that is great to put in here. This is where you put it, head. If you need to put it in your body, various scripts, you need to add code to the top of your post right here, custom code, and obviously bottom of the post there. Updates. Now once you've downloaded Divi and installed it, you're going to need to put in your username and API key to make sure that you get all the relevant updates. So I will be doing that very shortly. If we roll on down, we've got the theme builder. This is a new feature they've brought in the last few months, where you can make global headers, global body parts, and apply them to different sections of your site. For instance, you make different styles for your blog pages, different styles from your e-commerce checkout pages. Really useful. We'll be covering all that as we go along, and this is a great new feature. Theme customizer. This is really useful too, and you see this on most WordPress sites. I'm not going to go through them all at the moment. General settings, header and navigation, footer. You can customize. We'll be customizing as we go along. Color schemes, menus, widget, homepage settings, additional CSS, etc. The additional CSS here is exactly the one as we saw before in the Divi panel. It's just giving you another way, another gateway to get to it. So let's close that down. Role editor, something I don't actually use that much, but you can turn things off for people with various different roles. If they're an admin, if they're an editor, author, or controller, you can decide what things they can and can't do if they're in your site. Now, if you've got other people working on your site and you want to keep it safe, you don't perhaps trust their skills, then this is a great thing, because you can stop them from doing this, that, or whatever it is you decide that you don't want them to be able to affect. Divi library. This is great. When you create modules and you save them, this is where they'll be, and you can reuse them, export them and use them on other sites, and you can import modules from other sites, and once you've done that, this is where they'll be, and we'll be demonstrating that too. The support center is where you go if you want to find something out. There's some great how-to articles here. Now WordPress, as its open source code, allows you to add all kind of different plugins. We will be adding plugins, so definitely WooCommerce, perhaps a few more. Occasionally when a plugin updates, it will conflict with your theme and things will start breaking and won't work correctly. If that happens, you can go into your dashboard here and just disable all your plugins in one swoop and find out which one's causing the problem by re-enabling them one by one. So that's a great little feature too. So that's all I'm going to do today. We've downloaded and installed the Divi theme. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and install WooCommerce and run through the setup with that. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.